Hello dear kids, today we will be learning how to write A and letter B. So let's start. First of all, we'll write A. See? A. One line downward, two line downward, and we'll close it. Like this, we'll be writing A. Here I am using blue pen to write letter A. This is uppercase A, which you can also call capital A. Let's start. One downward, two downward, close. It's A. One downward, two downward, and close. A. One downward, two downward, close. A. Like this? Yes. Come again. 1, 2, 3. A is complete. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See how we are writing? 1 downward, 2 downward, and A is completed. 1, 2, close. 1, 2, close. 1, 2, and close. 1, 2, close. 1, 2, and close. So this is high rise A. Uppercase A. We can also call it uppercase A or capital A. 1 downward, 2 downward, and close. It's uppercase A. Capital letter A. And this one is lowercase a. See, this is lowercase a. First round circle and then 1 round circle and 1 round circle 1. It's very easy to make. Round circle 1, close. Round circle and then I'm closing it. Round circle, close. Round circle, close. Round circle, close. So we are writing small case A. Okay, this is, we can also call it lowercase a. Okay, small a, lowercase a, you can call it anything you like. It's A, circle and 1 line. We'll close it like this. This is capital A, small a. Okay, this is capital A and small a. A is for apple, aeroplane, alligator, ant. So this is A. Now we'll write B. B. 1 and 2 circle. 1, 2 circle. Okay. So let's start writing B. 1 straight line and 2 round circle. Again 1 straight line, 2 round circle. 1 straight line, 2 round circles. 1 line and 2 semicircle. 1 line, 2 semicircle. Again 1 line and 2 semicircle. 1 line and 2 semicircle. one line and two semicircle. Okay. So now what we'll be doing? We'll write one more B. B for bat, B for ball, B is for bun, B is for burger, and B is for balloon. Bat, burger, balloon. Okay. Now we'll write small b, or we can also call it lowercase b. See, one and one circle. One and one circle. I'm writing it. One circle. One circle. One circle. One circle. One circle. One circle. One and one circle. In capital B, we made one and two circle, and in lowercase b, we'll be writing one and one circle. One circle. One circle. One circle. Okay, so it's lowercase b, capital B, small b, capital B, small b, capital B, small b, capital B, small b, uppercase B, lowercase b. Okay, B is for bat, B is for ball, B is for burn, B is for burger, and B is for butterfly. Okay, thank you so much for watching my channel. Please subscribe and do practice at home. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you tomorrow with a new video.